All right, so I got this call. They said they had another company here. They just go and add refrigerant to unit, still not cooling, you know. So we got here. It's not right, you know. Just go and put the gauges. What I usually do, the first thing I check the filters. Just get rid of the airflow problem, you know, make sure you have your blower works properly, you got proper CFM, and your filters are clean. And after that, make sure the coil is clean, the evaporator coil, and then you can put your gauges on and your smart probes to see what's the superheat subcooling, you know. Like filters right like this is not going to give you a reading, so whatever you're going to read on your superheat got completely wrong. Look at this, you can't even see. The sizes were wrong, you know. So this filter, one part was overlapping like this. Just poor overdone this. And the other company, whoever was that, those filters hasn't been replaced. I could tell at least 3, 4, 5 years maybe. And so that's where it goes here. And it's hard to see probably from here, but the blower is right in the middle. Yeah, so you just can't just go and put the gauges on, try adding refrigerant. That's the last thing should be done. Filters, airflow, the blower has to run properly. You do measure the CFM, and then to access the A coil, this will come off. The bottom of the panel comes out, but we already checked the coil on that one. It looks the coil is clean, so we didn't even bother to take this one. But to measure the superheat, like these things has to be done first before adding refrigerant, you know, because this is going to throw off. Even the condenser coil has to be cleaned before checking the superheat and subcooling. Yeah, so we got here 1425 by 1. Yeah, this one, this filter is just, we have to cut a little bit, although it says it's what is this, this one, what size is this one here? 14 by 16 by 1. But it was a bit longer, these filters. It says 14 on, but it doesn't fit there, so to cut about 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, it's odd size filter. Yeah, but that's all they had at the supplier. So they had this side was okay, 14 by 21, but there was a gap between, so we went 1 inch bigger, so it fills that gap between two filters. But on the other unit, they had two 14 by 25 by 1. See, like how the middle line is cleaner on this side. They had two filters squeezed on top of each other. And see here, nothing. I'm just this side clogged, you know. So this should have been like who the I don't know who was the company here before. Don't really care, but they should have. You fix the. They should come and fix the airflow. See, that's part of the airflow filters, and make sure you got the proper CFM. And if it is you know, like a restaurant especially, make sure the A coil is clean. Any of these problems are gonna throw off your. You can't. It's not gonna. You're not gonna get a good reading. You're not gonna get a really wrong reading on superheat. So, anyways, yeah, this will do. And there's two units. The other one is already actually really cooling. Even one unit dropping the temperature really good though. So we're just gonna go up now, see unit, look at the units, see what's the charge on them, and we might have to recover some refrigerant. God knows how much they had. But anyways, just a quick video. Ciao.